Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you guys for coming back, and if you're new to the channel, welcome baddies, and if you are a baddie, thank you for coming back again. And today I'm back with a romper. I was like, I always do dresses, so this time let me do the wrong romper. So I used one of my favorite hipster pants. So if you have any favorite fits of pants that you have, in your wardrobe, use those as a pattern. And all you have to do is you fold, obviously, the material in half, inside out, and you're going to trace one leg, and then you're going to do the same thing for the other leg because you have two legs, right? So after doing that, we are going to do the top part, which I'm going to show you guys. I'll use a swimming costume of mine because I like the top part, and then we're gonna link those together, and I always say it, we're done. So yeah, let me stop yapping and you guys can watch, and then I will see you guys at the sewing machine. So after tracing each leg, you're going to open it out and you put two of those legs together, so that we're going to trace the top. We're going to sew the top part first, and then we open it out to do the legs. But don't worry if it sounds confusing, I'm just going to show you. So after pinning, we're just going to go to a sewing machine and sew over there. So now I'm going to sew the legs together. We're gonna do both the sides that I showed you, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks. So this is how it's supposed to be. We have linked the top parts together. We're gonna go link the legs now. As you can see, I'm gonna also hem the top and the legs, and we are done. So now all I have to do is make sure I bend the hem at the size that I want, and then I'm just gonna go through the sewing machine. I'm also going to hem the top around and then add my elastics at the back, like so. And I've added my elastic bands at the back. This is how it's going to sit at the back, so that, you know, I expose a little bit on my back and I can move around and play with it, whatever shape I like to add on. And I've attached the top to the pants like that together there. That's how you sew together, and you are done. I went safari horse riding. Obviously I was trying to, you know, also be the queen of the jungle, queen of the safari, honey. And it was so nice. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my videos, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Make sure you stay safe, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Love you, baddies. Stay cute.